Hello Bladers! As time passes, more and more people are getting cars. And as we all know, the smoke that cars emit hugely contributes to air pollution. Given this, it is very problematic because air pollution can lead to a lot of health issues for majority of us. As such, it is vital that we all do our part in trying to lessen the carbon dioxide, CO2, that our cars emit. Don't know how to start? Well, here are some tips you would need to remember. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. 5 ways on how to reduce your car's emissions. Number 1, don't turn on the aircon whenever possible. Though it may be 100 degrees here in the Philippines, try to turn off your aircon from time to time. Let's say when you've been driving for an hour, why not turn it off for a couple of minutes just to lessen a few of the CO2 that your car will emit. Number 2, avoid unnecessary acceleration. Whenever possible, just maintain a constant speed. Your car won't emit as much CO2 when it just drives at a steady pace. With the Manila traffic, we're sure this will be piece of cake for you. Number 3, try not to hazard. We know it's common practice already for us Filipinos. However, imagine computing the 5 minutes every day that you hazard your car just to pick up your son from school. When you add those up, it greatly contributes already to the air pollution. So, even if it's just for a few minutes, try to avoid idling your car. Number 4, proper and on-time maintenance. Get regular tune-ups, follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule, and use the recommended motor oil. This will ensure that your vehicle is in great shape. Make sure to always be on time with your car maintenance. Always remember that for any improperly maintained vehicle, there is a price to cost. Number 5, drive wisely. The way we drive can reduce emissions from our vehicles. Drive efficiently, go easy on the gas pedal and brakes to effectively reduce emissions, drive more safely, and save money on fuel costs all at the same time. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.